day in my life. I have barely left home in past 1 month, and it's been quite a thing to do that. But I think we're all going through such a weird time that there's no other choice. So yeah, I have literally woken up about 15-20 minutes ago, and I'm already at vlogging. I am so proud of myself because I've been thinking to do this since a few days, and it just wasn't happening. I don't know, I was not able to get in the mood to just pick up the camera, and I think this is the most raw vlog that I've ever made. Like, I've literally woken up and started vlogging. So yeah, this video is going to be about my day, a lockdown day, things that I'm doing today, and yeah, you're just gonna see whatever it's gonna be. I hope that you like this video, guys, and let's get started with the day. Starting off with the very first thing, I hope this video turns out to be fun and informative for you all. So number one thing is that I've been trying out something, and I truly have tried this for the first time, and I don't know why did I not do this. Obviously we all have applied oil to our hair, but very recently I started applying ghee mixed with coconut oil on my hair. Melt a little bit of ghee and it does wonders. Like, my hair has been super dry, and I have to do so many things to make it look fine, and this is the best solution. You don't have to do much with it, and I don't know, I just can't believe I haven't tried this before. Just try it, guys. Like, just do this. Pause this video, apply it, and then start watching my video again while applying it, because that's how fab this thing is to try out. So yeah, I usually, there are days when I sleep with it overnight, but I avoid because kind of the oiliness affects the pimples that I have, so I avoid overnight. But even when I apply it for like about 15-20 minutes right before I shower, it does a fab job. Do try it, guys. Hi from a lot cleaner me, tidier me. So yeah, I just got ready because I have to record a reel, so I'm gonna be doing that, and I think I'll be taking help from my house help because I have a collaboration and I have to deliver it in a few days. So yeah, I've gotten ready for that. A little bit of makeup, a little bit of hair. Also, today is Mother's Day, so we planned a little something for mommy, and we're just going to be putting things together. I'm going to put videos right here. Before I actually shoot the reel, I'm going to be doing that because it's almost lunchtime. I'm going to be doing that. So yeah, let's head to the decorations and the little bit of lunchtime with family. So Dolcia and I and Arav planned this for mommy. Hi, Doll. Hi. Okay, so you planned most of it. I help you decorate it. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, this is how it looks. I love it. Mama, how do you like the surprise?
Very like my type.
Yeah, this is what we've learned from you, giving it back to you. Let's eat. Glad that I had a shoot as well, so all my pictures I'm looking a little decent that way. Actually, before that, I thought I should talk about these two things. None of this is sponsored, guys, but while I was getting ready, I thought that I should mention about this as well. So this is the foundation that I've been using. It's been quite, I think, about more than a year that I've been using this foundation, actually even more, and I really love this one. It's super light. Somebody who's starting to learn makeup very initially, it's good for them. This is in the shade FLF 014 Honey. I love this foundation, super easy. You can build it up as well, and not very heavy, but fab. So that's one product that I wanted to talk about. This is what I've applied today as well. And secondly, there is this Forest Essentials Noor Nikhar Cheek Tint. Fab. I think right now on camera, obviously you can't tell a lot of pinkiness that is there on my cheeks right now, but this is a fab tint, one of the best tints that I've used till now. Definitely, it's a cream base, and I really like it. It's just fab. Done with recording. It didn't take me too long because it was just a 30-second reel. Just one more thing. My day is not eventful as it is looking today. And I did not really plan it to be like this, that okay, I'll do this and that, and that's how the vlog will look, or blah blah blah. I just thought today, I just woke up and I had that energy to kind of just make a good vlog, and then just whatever I do in the day. It just so happened that obviously we had planned something for Mother's Day, then I had to shoot, so I had to get ready. So I'm glad that there are things for me to show. Otherwise, I am sitting binge watching on shows on max level, planning work, like whatever I'm supposed to do post lockdown shiz. So yeah, so I'm glad that you were able to see a lot more things, which was a lesser possibility if it was yesterday or tomorrow. So I'm done with the edit as well. I thought that I would want to remove my makeup, but today I've done my makeup after so long. After so long I've gotten ready and I'm in no mood to get rid of this. So I'm kind of enjoying it. I know I have nowhere to go, but I think I'm just liking looking a little more sane than usual. Meet my sister Dolce if you haven't already. Hi!
Hello.
What you up to working?
Yeah, plannings.
She's such a hardworking person, guys. She's damn good at her work, and I think one of the major reasons why Switch Boss has reached where it has is also it's both of us, but
Yeah, it's both of us.
but
It's
she's got a
always both of
fab vision for things. Also, you are on my YouTube. Please say something nice for us.
So Simran is making a vlog after ages, guys. So
Not a sponsored one. It is. Please
yeah,
say it
a
over.
non-sponsored video she's doing after ages. So go follow her, subscribe her channel.
Wow, nice. You picked up good things to say.
Yeah.
And we have Arav as well. Hi, Arav. He's my
Hi,
brother,
Arav.
guys. Arav Singh Bhatia.
You're not sleeping
Oi,
in mom's
oi.
room, Ara.
Meet. He's given a brief of how he is. Please like to my Didi. Yes. So he's very.
Follow also.
Yeah, done.
Follow also.
Are you waiting for a silver button? So every third, fourth day he wakes up and he's like, Didi, when will you get your silver button? I said, yeah. Arav, do you want a silver button?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
You are gold. I'm silver.
Okay, all right.
Gold is big, silver is small.
Okay, all right. So gold will take a lot, like it's going to take longer time than silver. We're closer to silver button right now. So first you get a silver, then you get a gold. है ना, Instagram पे 100K हो गए हैं. अभी YouTube पे 100K होंगे तो आएगा. अभी टाइम
अभी
है.
कितने YouTube?
अभी 81,000, 82,000 something.
कितने मतलब
1 lakh होने हैं. अभी थोड़ा सा टाइम है. The light of our lives, the loving soul.
Yes. And we're missing Anshan.
That
He's
definitely.
not around.
He's working, he's a doctor. So my Jiju, basically we're talking about her husband, my Jiju.
like also and like
All right.
and follow
Okay, all right. Great, thank you.
and bell icon.
Oh my god.
Bell icon as well. Please hit the bell icon, guys. Right from it's Arav's
We live
request.
in a YouTube era.
In the morning, I remember saying that the weather feels better than usual, and then it was raining a little while ago, and it was so beautiful, so beautiful. I was actually enjoying it and forgot to vlog it or didn't put a story at all, but it was looking beautiful. And even now, like it's the sunset time, and it's just really pretty. The sky, I'm sure, like I can't explain how good it looks naturally, like without the camera. On camera, it obviously tends to look a little, but the color and everything is just fab right now. So we planned on walking, but now we're lying down. Hi, mommy. Hi. What's the plan? What are we doing?
Spending time with you.
Yes, mama. How did you like the surprise आज का जो हमने किया? या मेरे को जाना चाहिए थोड़ा सा. हाँ.
बहुत enjoy किया.
कैसा लगा आपको? सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा क्या लगा?
सबसे अच्छा तुम तीनों.
वाह यार.
डॉल्सी सिमरन आरा.
वाह यार मम्मी बढ़िया. तो अभी हम लोगों ने प्लान वॉक करने का किया था, बट हम मैं थोड़ी आने के पहले ही मैं ऐसे कि हम बैठ जाते हैं थोड़ी देर. But the weather is really nice.
25 minutes का.
He was worth more than $58 billion.
So while I was watching it, I happened to pause and I found something else that was related to my work. So basically, I found my notes from it's a note. I don't even know which year is it. It's from college, and it has got numbers and charts that I can't recognize at all. I have zero memory of what this is. So why I actually switched on my vlog was the fact that I felt that since morning there was no conversation that I did related to business or the information, because I am a person who's very fond of the work that I do, and I spend a lot of my day thinking about the work. I thought this vlog would be incomplete if I don't talk anything related to it. This is to all the people who are trying to do anything with any sort of their careers. If you are wanting to have a certain kind of job, if you're wanting to have certain kind of, if you want to start up anything of your own, this is the time, and I do understand the time is really sensitive. A lot of people are going through a lot of hardships, and it is difficult to kind of make sense in this chaos that we're living in right now. The vibe is so dull, but number one, to keep yourself away from it. I think it's a very good form when you're trying to be productive. It's a very good form of distraction, so you can work on yourself. That is something that has helped me to get through it, because I try and do a lot of work and keep myself distracted. Secondly, you're not going to get this time ever. You're always going to have excuses to do something or the other, which is so much more important, and maybe at that point you can't really skip doing that. I'm saying this for everybody. If you're somebody who's into a job who needs a certain kind of promotion, you can work on yourself to understand that, okay, this is the job that I'm at, this is where I want to reach, what's the kind of skills that I need to be there, what is it that is stopping me from reaching here. If you're somebody who is into a certain kind of job and doesn't want that, and you would want to move around to another sector, you don't really feel happy in the work that you're doing, or you feel that, okay, this line of work is, or this career type is not going with me, or it's not, but I have been doing it for so long, and you're not able to get out of that loop. This is the time for you to understand that. Browse over things, just understand that what is not working for you, why is it not working, what would you want further. And if you're somebody who's wanting to start something, you can create huge plans and layouts, starting from the structure, what kind of business model do you want. And I feel YouTube is that one place that is, I've learned so much on YouTube, guys, and not only related to business, but not only related to my work bit, but my personal bit as well. I feel there are beautiful people sharing beautiful things there. That has helped me grow, and definitely would help you as well. So whatever is that sector of space that you need information about, research about it, hear podcasts. That's like, you can get up and just put on any kind of podcast that goes in that field, and yeah, that would help you so much. And definitely for people like me who are into a certain kind of business, I personally have faced this issue that once I am into that loop of working in a certain manner, I'm not able to work as much on the growth of the company, but I'm kind of stuck in the entire base. So I can't just really step back and look at the entire thing, that what is happening with my business. I'm just kind of in that race of just moving morning to evening, just getting through my tasks and stuff, which I do feel a lot of entrepreneurs at some point get into because of the pressures of the revenue, or the pressure of the employees and the salaries and everything that every entrepreneur goes through, and especially people like us, people like me who've not been doing this for too long. So in that case, right now I do not have those pressures. Right now I'm kind of I'm in a safe place to be able to just step back, look at everything. This is the time, guys, and this is not something very specific. I didn't mean to make this video anything related to specifically about business. Even if one single person out of you all felt that, okay, yes, I need to plan this, I'd be really happy to know that. So yeah, if you'd want me to add such little things related to my business, I'd be super happy. Do let me know in the comment section below, and I think I should just end my vlog here. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. I am gonna see you super soon in my next video.